can't hear anyone in Zoom, or are other participants unable to hear you. Audio issues can interrupt meetings, classes, and important conversations, but most Zoom sound problems can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom audio not working in 2026. First, make sure your speakers, headphones, or earbuds are properly connected. If you're using wireless audio devices, confirm they're connected and have sufficient battery power. Open Zoom settings and navigate to the audio section. Check that the correct speaker and microphone devices are selected for both input and output. Use Zoom's built-in audio testing tools. Test your speaker to make sure you can hear sounds, and test your microphone to confirm Zoom is detecting your voice. Open your computer's sound settings and verify that the correct playback and recording devices are selected as the system defaults. Incorrect device settings are a common cause of audio problems. Applications such as Teams, Discord, Skype, music players, or recording software can sometimes interfere with Zoom audio. Close any unnecessary apps and test Zoom again. Completely close Zoom and reopen it. If the issue continues, install the latest Zoom updates and update your computer's audio drivers. If audio still isn't working, restart your computer. A restart can clear temporary conflicts and refresh audio services that Zoom depends on. And that's how to fix Zoom audio not working in 2026. By checking your audio devices, reviewing Zoom settings, and updating your software, you can solve most sound issues quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get your Zoom audio working properly again. Thanks for watching.